Today's lesson in math, lesson 16, is on solving word problems involving the multiplication of fractions. And the students must use a tape diagram first to show how they're going to solve it with their math. So we're going to look at number 1 in their homework from their orange book. Anthony bought an 8-foot board. So that means that the whole piece of tape is 8 feet. And next it says he cut off 3/4 of the board to build a shelf. So right then I'm thinking that I need to put it in fourths. I'm going to cut that 8-foot board into fourths, and then I'm going to show that 3/4 of that right here, this is 3/4. I'm going to put an S here for shelf. This 3/4 shows that it's for the shelf. Then it says he gave 1/3 of the rest to his brother for an art project. Well, since I'm looking at this here, this is a fourth that's left. And I'm going to have to break that fourth into thirds. And so this is for his brother. This little part here is for his brother. So I have now shown with the tape diagram what I'm going to do here, because now this is in thirds. One of the thirds is for the brother. But now I need to do my math. So step 1 in my math would be what 3/4 of 8 is, which would be multiplication. And I can cancel here to make my multiplication easier. So step 1, for the shelves, you have 6 feet. Step 2, he gave 1/3 of the rest for an art project. Well, what he has left is 2 feet. So I need to do 1/3 of 2. And when I do that, and I do my multiplying of fractions, top times top, bottom times bottom, I see that if he gave 1/3 of the rest to his brother for an art project, I could get 2/3. So the question asks, how many inches long was the piece Anthony gave to his brother? Well, that would be... So the final step, step 3, would be to take that whole, which was in 3/3, there were 3 parts, take away the 2/3, you just figured out, and what you are left is with 1/3, and that's the piece that he gives to his brother. So this is how you do these kind of problems, with a tape diagram first and all your math second.